Have you ever wondered what actually happens to your body when you eat 2 eggs a day? This simple, affordable food is a breakfast staple all over the world, from perfectly boiled eggs to fluffy omelets. But is there more to eggs than just being an easy source of protein? Could eating 2 eggs a day boost your energy, sharpen your mind, strengthen your immune system, and even help protect you from disease? Or are there hidden risks you should know about? Today, we're cracking open the truth about eggs, the benefits, the best ways to prepare them, and the common mistakes that might be robbing you of their full nutritional power. But before we dive in, welcome to the channel. If you're passionate about improving your health naturally, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our future health tips. And let us know in the comments where you're watching from. We'd love to hear from you. All right, let's get started. Eggs are often called one of nature's perfect foods, and for good reason. Each egg packs about 6 grams of high-quality protein and all 9 essential amino acids your body can't produce on its own. That's why they're great for muscle repair, tissue growth, and maintaining strength. But the benefits don't stop at protein. Eggs are loaded with key vitamins. Vitamin A for sharp vision and a strong immune system, vitamin B12 for energy and healthy red blood cells, vitamin D for strong bones, and vitamin E for protecting your cells against damage. They're also rich in essential minerals like phosphorus, selenium, and zinc, plus healthy omega-3 fats that support heart and brain health. One standout nutrient in eggs is choline, which plays a critical role in memory, brain health, and cellular function. Looking to manage your weight without starving? Eggs are your friend. Their high protein content helps you feel full for hours, reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy foods later in the day. Studies show that people who eat eggs for breakfast consume fewer calories throughout the day compared to those who eat carb-heavy meals like cereal or toast. And here's the bonus. 2 large eggs only have about 140 to 160 calories, but they deliver lasting energy and important nutrients. Egg yolks are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful antioxidants that help protect your eyes from damage caused by blue light, UV rays, and aging. These nutrients can lower your risk of macular degeneration and cataracts, 2 leading causes of vision loss as we age. And let's not forget vitamin A, which helps prevent night blindness and keeps your eyes strong and healthy. Eggs are brain food. Choline, found in high amounts in egg yolks, is essential for producing acetylcholine. That's a neurotransmitter involved in mood regulation, memory, and learning. Just 2 eggs can cover about half the recommended daily intake of choline for women and around 45% for men. Eggs also offer B vitamins like B6, B9, which is also called folic acid, and B12, all of which help keep your brain sharp and may even reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Eggs are an excellent way to fuel your immune defenses. They're packed with vitamin A, B12, selenium, and vitamin D, all of which help your body fight infections, strengthen immune cells, and reduce inflammation. Eggs are rich in biotin or vitamin B7, which is, honestly, vital for strong nails, healthy hair, and glowing skin. Combined with their protein, vitamins A and E, and minerals like zinc, eggs help your body maintain its natural beauty from the inside out. As we age, maintaining muscle mass is, really essential for staying strong, mobile, and independent. Eggs provide high-quality protein and leucine. That's an amino acid that actually triggers muscle growth and repair. Including eggs in your diet can help combat muscle loss, improve strength, and support a longer, healthier life. Here are 3 of the healthiest ways to cook eggs. First, boiled eggs. They're simple, mess-free, and have no added fat. Next up, poached eggs, which actually retain more heat-sensitive nutrients like lutein and zeaxanthin. And finally, scrambled eggs with veggies. Just use a splash of olive oil and load them up with spinach, tomatoes, or mushrooms for extra vitamins, minerals, and fiber. So a few common mistakes to watch out for. Avoid cracked eggs because bacteria like salmonella can enter through shell cracks. Also, don't overcook your eggs. Overheating can destroy valuable nutrients, especially in the yolk. And whenever possible, choose quality eggs. Pasture-raised or omega-3 enriched eggs offer the highest nutritional value. So, can eating 2 eggs a day change your health? Absolutely. From supporting your brain and heart to helping you manage weight and sharpen your vision, eggs are a true superfood. Simple, affordable, and delicious. There's really no reason not to include them in your diet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips every week. And tell us in the comments, how do you like your eggs? Boiled, scrambled, or poached? We'd love to know. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health.